Man, this KYC is a pain. I get it. And I can see the messages on the community platforms where everyone is complaining that they failed the KYC. However, they did everything correct. Now, just to test it, I did the KYC again for this project as well, because this will be the fourth one. And I wanted to see whether I passed or not, because on the previous three, I passed at once, okay? From the first try, I passed the KYCs. Therefore, I did this in this video where you can see all the steps with some explanations. And I can say that today I got back an email from MaiarLaunchpad and they say my KYC was, drumroll, successful. Why? Because I followed the steps. Now I will show you and I will tell you three major failures, okay? Three things which if you don't respect, if you do it differently, then you will probably fail. And if you failed 3 times, then you are rejected, you cannot redo it. So let's start with the name. I could see that many people are writing that, hey, this is my name, I know my name. Yes, you know your name, but Onfido is checking the name based on an algorithm. So when they say, and let me switch my my screen for that. When they say that your family name is going first and your given name second or the other way around, then you should respect that. The family name, you know what is the family name or the last name. And for here, for example, here you can see that Kennedy was for Mr. Kennedy the family name, and John was the first name or the given name, and there is also a middle name. Okay, now if you have two names, two given names, first thing you need to do is go to your parents and ask them why. Why couldn't they decide on a good name? Why they gave you two bad names? Because now they are fucking up your KYC process. I have to say the blame is on them, but you are stuck with that name. So you have to make sure that in the given name, you introduce the two names. Now, if you have two family names, I have no idea what is happening there. I didn't see messages about that, but yeah, if you have two family names, then on your passport or ID should also be written as two family names, so the algorithm should recognize it. Okay, let's go forward. What is the next one, which is very important, which I highlighted in the video, which is linked there as well? It's the selfie. As you can see in the video next to me, I don't know which way, I just got up from my desk and I went to the window to get some sunlight, okay, to make sure that my selfie, my face has some light on it and the selfie is recognizable, and the algorithm, the machine or the software will recognize my selfie, because these are not checked by people, okay, they are run through some algorithm. Third biggest fail, which I'm going to show you right here, is the proof of address, because everyone is using some kind of utility bill, and many utility bills are different, which yes makes sense because every company has their custom utility bill and they place the logo here and there. Therefore, I will show you the exact utility bill which I use. Now, regarding the colored dots, I will obviously not reveal all my personal information online on YouTube, but I just wanted to show you that here is the sample which you get on the MaiarLaunchpad, okay? They show you that here is the logo, the full name, the current address, and issue date or summary period. Now, I wasn't sure whether this needs to be followed, okay? So if your bill should have the same structure as they show in this sample, but I used a bill which has the exact same date in the exact same location. As you can see, here is the logo, here is my name, and here is my address, and here is the date when it was issued. So my bill, and by the way, this is a broadband bill, follows exactly the sample. So what you need to do, you need to find a utility bill or the bank statement which follows this kind of sample, this kind of structure, because it seems that the algorithm is set to find these parts of the bill or of the bank statement in that part of the document. So I hope I helped with this. If you already did your KYC, if you have this structure of your proof of address, and if you typed your name correctly, okay, not turning around the middle name and the family name and the given name, and obviously you took a selfie as it should, then make sure that at the next one you know what was the problem. And yes, it is a problem that Onfido doesn't give us feedback why they fail people, but you have to make sure that you follow the structure and the steps as they ask for it. One more thing, this is not Aaron. I see that a lot of people are blaming Aaron Network. They don't do the KYC, okay? It's Onfido, and before Onfido it was Synapsys. So yeah, it's like a supplier, okay? They are just a company which they are profiling in KYC, and that is what they do. So whatever you want to tweet with tagging Onfido, and they might be able to improve the process. Hope you like this content. If you did, I don't know, like it, subscribe, okay? Subscribe. Take care.